Hi everyone, to the bone, this is Darce, and today I have my Boxycharm unboxing and try on. So if you want to see what I got in my April 2018 box and see what it looks on my face, keep on watching. So I picked it on my Boxycharm because I wanted to see what was inside, so I make sure, I prepare so I don't have makeup on. And this month looks pretty cool. I like the new card, which is awesome. And the theme of the month is eye candy. There's about like 5 different versions of the Boxycharm this month with different items and different eye palettes, so I'm really excited. And my version is number 3. So whenever you get your Boxycharm, the version number should be in the little corner here. So let's dig in. The first item, which that's why I don't have makeup on, I want to try it out. Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner is an award-winning pore refining mask, is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. I'm going to try only on my nose. And by the way, guys, I do have a great DIY for removing blackheads and whiteheads, and I'll put the link on the description box below. I will apply this only to my nose because I have very sensitive skin. That way I can see how my skin reacts before I commit to applying to the rest of my face. After cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern, avoid the eyes, leave on 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. It smells a little bit like sulfur, actually. I wonder if it has sulfur on it. It's tingling a little bit, but again, I have very sensitive skin. I'm gonna leave it on and then I'll come back to show you the results. It's been 50 minutes and it's completely dried out, as you guys can see. Like it kind of sucked into the pores. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's like little holes. And it did feel cooling. Like it started tingling, but then it started feeling more cooling. So now it feels just cooling. Like I don't feel any irritation. So let me wash it off and I'll be right back to show you how it looks after. I just washed it off and I really like it, guys. I really feel like it cleaned up my pores. Can you guys see? And even though like it was tingling in the beginning, it didn't irritate me, like my nose is not red or rashy or anything. So I really like it. I just feel like a cooling sensation, like almost like a refreshing sensation. So I really like it. This retails for $47. Wow. Well, it better work for that price, but it's a good one. So I'm excited. I'm definitely going to use it and I'll keep you guys posted, but so far, so good. So let's see what else is in the box. The next product is a palette from Colourpop. It is semi-precious shadow palette. I'm really excited because I've never tried this type of Colourpop shadows, and this retails for $26. So let me start by swatching, so showing you guys on the screen all the colors. So let's try on the eye. Let's try to create a look with this palette to see how it performs. But so far it's swatched really nicely. This palette looks really pretty, but since it's all shimmers, I had to go look in my collection to see what can I use like a matte shadow to create like the crease and to create the full look. So I love the colors, but this is a palette you have to combine with another palette with mattes. I mean, you don't have to, but I personally like it to combine mattes with shimmers. So I got my Tarte Bloom palette because I think the color, it has a lot of selection of very good matte colors. It's an amazing palette if you have a chance to get it. So I'm going to combine my Tarte Bloom palette with the semi-precious because then I'm going to use the shimmers from this palette with the mattes from this palette. Smarty Pants all over just the crease, just to start to create the look. I'm just figuring out the look as I go. Again, it's a try-on, so I'm not sure how is it going to turn out. So I'm sorry ahead of time if it looks kind of crazy. But I'm going to try to have this one first because I think it looks so beautiful. It's like a lilac blue color. And I'm going to have that in the inner part of my lid. It's called Easy Go. The names are in the back. I'm going to go into the middle of my eye with the Easy Go shadow. Rose gold here, which is Bashful. Ooh, it's a really pretty rose gold too. And now I'm gonna blend it a little bit with Smarty Pants, which is kind of like more like a neutral shade. Gonna put a little more in the corner just to blend in a little bit. Try this brown just on the more inner corner, outer corner, which is the game. Oh yeah, it worked. I'm gonna use Rebel just in the little more, the very, very last corner, just to, oh yeah, that's much better. Just to kind of give a little more dimension to the look and blend that into the outer corner. That's what the look so far. Let me just clean out the fallout. That was from actually Tarte Bloom, not the other one. And I will do this, the other eye, and I'll be right back. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna apply my foundation, and I'll be back to see what else is on the box. Hey guys, I'm back. So let's see what else is on the box. Oh, I'm excited for this. Is a Tarteist Pro Glow liquid highlighter in the shade Exposed. Glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. It's ultra concentrated and is a hybrid gel cream, and this retails for $29. I already have foundation and powder on, so let's see how it applies to just a little bit here, but I'm not sure how it's going to look since I have powder on top already. I already set my foundation, so let's see if it works on top of powder. See how it performs. Whoa! Actually, hold on, it's too much. Dries pretty fast, so if you're applying it, just, you know, do it quickly. Let me do on this other side and I'll be quicker. And I think you just need a tiny, tiny little bit. I'm pretty sure I overdid it on this side here. I would definitely apply less, but now that I have to match, I'm gonna go a little crazy on the highlighter now. Wow, I feel like I'm glowing from the guts right now. Why not? I'm like taking a bath of highlighter here. What do you guys think? It's so pigmented. So if you definitely use this highlighter, use it with a light hand or not, depending what the look you're going for. And it does actually perform well over powder. I'm very impressed because normally a lot of the liquid highlighters, when you apply on top of powder, it kind of like takes the foundation. It didn't move my foundation, but I definitely went a little crazy and I put a little too much on the side. But again, it's a try-on video, so I'm just testing it out. So maybe I'll put a little powder on top just to see if I can soften a little bit. The other thing is in the box is a Brow Gel Tinted Brown Gel with microfibers. So let's try this. Again, I'm not usually a person to do my brows. I know brows are huge right now. Again, I'm fairly new to makeup. I consider myself a makeup lover, not a makeup artist. I say that a lot because I want to remind you guys I'm just having fun with makeup and reviewing for you guys as a regular consumer. I've never used this type of product before, so I don't know what's going to happen, but this is a try-on video, so if I look ridiculous, please, I apologize. I don't know what I'm doing with my brows, but I will give it a try because I am excited to try different products. So let's see. Oh, wow. It's a little dark, I think, for me. But interesting. This is with and without. Let's do the other one. Am I doing right, guys? If you're a brow gal, eyebrow person, please give me some brow tips. I think I overdid it here because I can see. I think I overdid it. Oh my god, I look like... Okay, I totally overdid it. I have some crazy brow hairs here. Like some fibers. Oh my god. Oh my god, that looks a little too much, but definitely, but it definitely works. I mean, the product definitely works. It made my brows very full, but I mean, not necessarily in a good way. I don't know. I'm just not used to it, I guess. Do you guys like it? Do you guys like it maybe with big full brows? Please make a comment below and be kind. Again, I've never used a brow product before, so this is my first time. I think it might be a little too dark for me, so let's move on. Anyways, the last product is a high-definition liquid lipstick from Adesse. Luxurious cream, long-wearing liquid lipstick provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand application. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting, brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. I think the color is Debbie's favorite. I don't know. It doesn't say on the cover, but and it retails for $24. It's so strange. It doesn't really say the color, but it's kind of like a nude. So let's try. I just have a little bit of lip balm on my lips. I'm gonna take it off. So let's try it. Oh my God, it broke. I am not joking. What? It's completely broken, as you guys can see. There's a little bit on the bullet here, so I would just use that and see, just so I can finish the look. Whenever you do a try on, anything can happen, so I'm just curious to see the color, but it's actually a pretty nice color. I do like the color. Darn it. I think it's one of those liquid lipsticks that don't completely dry out, so it feels comfortable. I'm just really bummed it came broken, but maybe I'll still use it, or if I don't know if Boxycharm can send me another one. I don't really know. I've never had this happen, so I don't know. Even if they don't, maybe I'll try using one of those disposable lip things if I want to use it, but actually I think I'm going to use it. I liked it. But that was the last thing on my box. I just realized I didn't finish my eyes. I have to finish the under eye, so let me finish. So this is the final look. I used the semi-precious on the bottom, then I just put some mascara on the top and bottom, and this is what I came up with. It looks a little bit much for what I normally would use, but I wanted to show you what the colors look like, and so far I really like this palette. So for me, the highlights of the box, the products I liked the most were definitely the vacuum pore cleaner. I will for sure be using it more. I also really like the highlight. I will definitely be a little more light-handed next time I use it, and I love the palette. I really like the palette. I think I did a little bit of a crazy look, but at least gives you a little of an idea what the palette can do and look like. So I'm just trying it out, some of the colors, and there's pretty much the colors are very pigmented, and I'll definitely be using in conjunction with other palettes, because since there's only shimmers, you kind of need another matte. But I definitely really like it. So those are the things I like the most. The brow product, I'm not sure I'll use it again. Please comment below if you liked it. I don't know how I feel about it. I think it might be too dark for me, or maybe I need a lighter hand. I really like the lipstick, but I can't really use it because the bullet's broken. But I like the color. I think it's a very comfortable liquid lipstick, so I think it might be more of like long wearing than actual liquid lipstick, because I'm not really a huge fan of liquid lipsticks in general because they dry out my lips a lot. But this one feels really comfortable, and I really like the color. Overall, I think it was an amazing box, you know, and for $21 a month, I think it's totally worth it. Some good things, some okay things, but for $21, it's still a really good deal. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you had fun watching me play with makeup, get some crazy stuff on my face. Really enjoy doing this type of videos for you guys. Please comment below if you subscribe to Boxycharm. What did you get this month? Let me know, because there have been 5 configurations of the box this month with different palettes, different products. So I'm curious to know, what did you get on your box and if you liked what you got. And please comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, it's a little, look, just a little bit of a transfer. Anyway, I'm rambling now, but just a side note. No transfer. Yeah, I like it. Okay, I'll definitely use it. Okay, I'm rambling right now. Have a wonderful week. Bye.